How to set max ping on lobby in CS2. So first, you just simply need to open up your settings. After that, go to game right here. Then scroll up at the very top, and as you can see, you will see the max acceptable matchmaking ping. So what this does is set the ping to your lobby or to your matchmaking, and whatever you set it to, that will pick the server or the game server that you will be playing on. So as you can see right here, there are tons of servers, right? So if I set this to 150, I can play on any server right here that has an MS of 150 and below. So it will automatically accept any matchmaking that has a ping of 150 and below. But if I lower that, so let's say I only want to play in Hong Kong, I can set this to just 24 or 25 and lower, and that will basically make my games or all of my games on just under the Hong Kong server, and I cannot play on the other servers right here unless I get 25 ping or lower on that particular server or region. So let's say I want to include Hong Kong, China, Singapore, and South Korea. So I need to set my max acceptable matchmaking ping to 65. And that will basically include the South Korea and all of the other countries here, since it has a ping of 65 and below. So South Korea has 61, Singapore has 35, China has 30, and Hong Kong has 24. And that's basically it.